What does it mean to be a bona fide political party member, and who defines that? We've been talking about a new law requiring polling places to have signs up informing voters it's illegal to vote in a primary election without being a, quote, bona fide political party member. That's the focus of a lawsuit filed by former Knoxville Mayor Victor Ashe and a group of voters. Joining us now is our legal analyst Greg Isaacs to explain how this started, what's going on. It's good to see you.
Lori, it's good to be here.
Let's talk about what this lawsuit entails.
Wow, this lawsuit challenges the new law that is designed to not only deter crossover voting in political primaries, but to criminalize crossover voting in political primaries.
Isn't that unconstitutional?
Wow, thus saith the ex-mayor Victor Ashe. But let's look at what the law requires. Now at polling places, there's an 8.5 by 11 sign, and it says, unless you are a bona fide member of a political party, or you are affiliated with that party, or you declare your allegiance. I guess you raise your hand and swear on an elephant or a donkey. It is a crime to vote in this election.
Who decides that? Who decides what bona fide is and your status?
Normally we look to the law. The judges look to the law. Lawyers look to the law. The term bona fide in this context is not defined by the Tennessee Constitution or any statute. So that's why this lawsuit is really important in terms of the constitutionality of this. Now, Lori, Tennessee ranks 46th in the nation in voter turnout. Voter fraud, not a big problem.
No.
I think we led the nation in 2016 with 40 legitimate cases out of 4.3 million votes. So, I mean, it's less than 0.5%.
But isn't this law more than about avoiding fraud?
It is. It's to criminalize crossover voting. And what it does, it says that you can't vote for the person, you have to vote for the party.
And a lot of people say, that's what I want to do.
And every criminal statute requires a mens rea or your intent. And let's say you get up and you say, I've had enough. I've watched the news. I'm leaving the R to be a D. I'm leaving the Ds to become an R. And you march down there to vote in that primary, and somebody says, aha, I'm going to get the polling police to do some research on you, and you're going to go to jail, young lady, if you vote in this election.
If this law stands, that could happen. What, misdemeanor in some cases, felony in another?
Felony in others, and it's interpreted, it could be a misdemeanor, a benign slap on the wrist, or it could be a felony that carries 2 to 4 years. So really amazing. But here's what the lawsuit said. Basically, it's unconstitutional because it's overbroad and vague. It does not put a reasonable person on notice of the prohibited conduct. Am I bona fide? Am I not bona fide? How do I raise my hand, declare? This violates our First Amendment right to political speech. So this is filed in the federal court for the Middle District of Tennessee, and it'll be interesting to see how this plays out.
We'll be watching.
We will.
Thank you, Greg. And if you have a legal question for Greg, send it to AskIsaacs@WATE.com, and we will be sure to ask him. Remember, we talk with Greg every Wednesday at 5:30 right here on WATE. 6 on your side.